All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ICLD, currently traded at 0168. We've went through this one multiple times. You guys see this over here. I'm not going to go through each one of them, but I will go through the last time that we looked at it, which would have been right here. That little green candle, which would have been the last time. Watch for a bounce off the 0175. That was going to be right here. Okay. Needs more buying to push you past the 0220, 0175. We'll need to hold. Well, you guys definitely tipped below there. Very around, really around that area. Look at that, consecutively just around that area. The one thing that I will point out, though, if you guys look at the stock back, looks like I'm trying to get a better idea. So let's, if we can get a time gap here, 1 month. So about 1 month. Everything's been winding up here, but it's really starting to lock down as far as I'm concerned, especially with volume. The volume that's been coming in here is starting to lock down. What I mean by that, it's starting to really go sideways. That's a good thing. I mean, you got the Bollinger Bands starting to tighten together. The volatility is starting to weaken. And everything's basically, you got a stock that's downtrending like that. And now it just went sideways. If that gives you guys a better idea of how I'm looking at the chart. So that red line right there, that's basically what I'm seeing here. And it's bouncing off this line here and here. Now, what we're going to be watching for to happen is at the 0167, you guys are getting up there tippy-toeing around the 10-day simple moving average at about 0181. The 20 and 30-day simple moving average are twisting together pretty close. It's a 0195. I would like to see the buying pressure to pick up to push you guys through those areas. I know that it's easier said than done. But the fact that you guys had 9 million shares yesterday and didn't move much goes to tell me that there's either selling going on or just not that enough to push, enough buying pressure to push it. It's too early to really determine which one it is, unless I was looking at the level 2 all day, but it can move. It can move. We've seen that over here. Boom, right off of that. So it could definitely move. Watch this thing. It could be winding up. I'm not going to put it on alert or anything right now, but I'm going to tell you to watch this because something's up here off of the whole history of this whole chart. It's probably the best that I've seen it yet. Something's going on here. It's starting to really stabilize. But definitely keep this one in mind.
So, David, with these ones right here, I'm not sure if I went over, you know how a lot of times you'll go through some of these when I'm not around. So I don't know if I ever went over this, but I mean, this right here, this one press release that they had from February 9th, it probably answers some of them questions right there that you just had in regards to, there's 900,000 shares or whatever, and it didn't really seem to go anywhere. All right, so anyways, InterCloud Systems awarded over 400,000 of new contracts. That was their press release from February 9th. InterCloud Systems Incorporated, a leading provider of cloud networking, orchestration, and automation solutions and services, on February 9th announced that it was recently awarded over 400,000 in new contracts in the last 3 weeks. The majority of the work is expected to begin immediately. Mark Monroe, CEO of InterCloud Systems, stated, "We continue to see higher trading volume and dilution in our stock as lenders exercise their rights to convert their debt into equity. These conversions and the corresponding dilution is outside of the company's control while the debt is outstanding. The company is working very aggressively to finalize a conventional asset-based financing solution to pay off a portion of the convertible debt and help reduce these conversions. We are also working to complete the sale of certain non-core assets to eliminate additional convertible debt as well." So about InterCloud Systems. InterCloud Systems is a leading provider of cloud networking, orchestration, and automation for software-defined networking (SDN) and network function virtualization and the NFV cloud environments to the telecommunication service provider, carrier, and corporate enterprise markets through cloud solutions and professional services. InterCloud's cloud solutions offer enterprise and service provider customers the opportunity to adopt an operational expense model by outsourcing cloud development or deployment and management to InterCloud rather than the capital expense model that has dominated in recent decades in IT infrastructure management. So additional information can be located at InterCloud's website, which is www.intercloudsys. That's InterCloud and then sys.com. And as always, you can go over to the Investors Hangout board by typing in the ticker symbol ICLD. And from there, you can basically go right into their recent news, check out their filings, their financials, the buy rating, the company profile. And, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the company's message board that we have over there. And it is, basically, we have tens of thousands of daily like-minded investors that are visiting the site daily. So share your opinion. Sure, somebody would love to know what you have to think about it.
That's right. So ICLD, again, 0167, watch for a bounce off of this level. 0168 will need to hold resistance at 018002, might be turning around here. Really, ICLD, keep an eye on this one. If you follow this stock, make sure that you hit subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. As always, if there's a hot stock that you're watching, you can head over to investorshangout.com/live to let us know about your hot stock. So obviously, like Joe said, there's a lot of things going on. And hey, you know what? If you're a shareholder and you would like to see your CEO come on here onto Investors Hangout for a Q&A stream, completely free, unlimited, you guys come on there and talk about your company to your shareholders. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and feel free to let them know.
It's transparency at its finest.
That is exactly it. So again, ICLD, hit that subscribe. We'd like to see you on investorshangout.com.